I was always afraid of the sea. I'm still a bit afraid of the sea.
The time is so really intense. Like sometimes on 1 week on Labora you can experience more, at least I can say for myself, than in 1 month in the life I had before in university. And there's a lot of extreme situations like you get in, like social wise or like extreme sailing wise or dangerous wise. I think this stuff kind of makes you grow.
Because this is what makes the boat go forward. It's not a bunch of money. It's not pulling it into a boatyard and having somebody else do the work. The crew coming together to make the boat work, learning some new skills, and standing back and taking pride in what they've done, because most people can't do this. It's all about what you put into life is what you get out of life. Same thing on the boat here. The boat's not going to sail itself, the boat's not going to repair itself, and you're not going to grow unless you put out. And that's what I'm trying to get across to people. Some of them come here not quite understanding that concept or idea.
Reality hit me in the face. And it's not just about the sailing anymore. Labora is a home.
I think that I seek out pain and frustration because you cannot feel fulfilled without working really hard.
To me, the most precious thing you have on earth is your time. It's unknown. It's limited. What are you going to do with it? It's the one precious thing you have that most people don't understand how precious it is.